I'm going to show you how I fold my fabric because I like them to all come out this size. And once I show you how to fold this, I'll show you why I want them to come out this size. I've ironed this piece of fabric. Pick up the selvage edges. Make sure that it's hanging straight along the fold. And that may not mean that the sides are lined up. Fold it down and over. Just for neatness, I keep this one inside of there. And so then I'm going to fold again. And this one's a little bit wider. So I'll just fold into there. So I have the same size. This one's just 1/4 of a yard. And like I said before, when you hold up the selvage and make sure that this along here is hanging straight, sometimes your sides don't line up. So I folded it like this is for a fold for 1/4 yard. Again like that, and then like this, and then it'll just be this size. And it'll still fit in the parameters that I need. We're going to do this again just so you get to see it from flat to folded. So again, I'm going to take my selvage edges together, and then I'm going to hold it up, and I don't want it to hang like that. So I'm just going to move these along till I get an even fold. Like when I lay it down, it's going straight. So I would just go to that side. This goes in here. Then I'm going to fold in here. Okay, then fold in here and there. And I have the same size again. This is a yard of fabric. So I'm going to show you how to fold a yard so we come out with the same size the other ones were folded, whether they're 1/4, half. We're going to do the salvages together again. Lay it down so that we have a nice smooth fold. Fold the salvages up to that fold. And I know I'm cutting my head off, but if you get to see my head, you don't get to see what I'm doing here. So we're going to fold it again. And then I want to find the center so I know what I'm aiming for. So I'm going to fold this down. Come back and fold this one to the center, smoothing things out. Fold to the center, in half again, and then half again. And so a yard of fabric is going to be the same as a half a yard. Like I said, I'm going to show you why I do that. This is the reason that I'm folding the fabric so they're all the same size. All of these are the same size. These are multiple colors. If it's bigger than a yard, I fold them in a bigger tub because it gets too wide to fit in here. As you can see, everything's organized, and everything is organized by color. So if I need to come back in and find a fabric that I've used previously, it is pretty easy for me to do. I can just lay a piece of it down and it will match up with one of the pieces that are in there. These are to be filed. And then we come over here. There are more bins. Bins are all from IKEA. These bin ones are from IKEA. So I can pick them up and take them out if I want to sort through them there. This is the Tula Pink. Well, there's a couple Tula Pink drawers in there. So that's the reason that I'm folding them, if I can, all the same size. This kind of organization took some time, probably 2 weeks. It has saved me so much time since I've organized everything this way that I love it.